wow, you know, I think I've seen something in my life, and that thing's really old. We can fly people around and have computers that do anything and put people up in space and everything, but nobody's really been able to do something like that. And that's 400 years old. A great violin makes it much easier to do things.
Well, just it being part of our family, you know, we just kind of let Tessa take her interests and go with them, and because it's ballet, we bought all the ballets, the classic ones, and she really loves it. She'd rather watch a 3-hour ballet than a cartoon.
I don't think there's any culture anywhere that doesn't have some kind of music that everybody just instinctively responds to, whether it's rhythmic or melodic is kind of different discussion, but kids love music, just like a lot of adults love music. Oh, she's one-handing it. The main part of the program is a Rachmaninoff piano concerto and a Beethoven symphony. There's really no way to describe that experience. Something like a Rachmaninoff piano concerto with a really brilliant soloist, it's kind of like watching Michael Jordan or Tiger Woods or somebody at the top of their game. It's hard to describe it without seeing it. And the second half of the concert, Beethoven's Fifth Symphony, which is actually a great piece even beyond the first 4 notes. Hearing something like "di-di-di-di" is kind of the classic stereotype of classical music. That's a lick that everybody knows, you know. I think it's hard to get across these days the kind of revolutionary aspects of that piece when it was written. Things sort of lose their punch until you think about the environment that they were actually working in. And then Beethoven comes along with this thing, and so people predictably didn't quite know what to make of it, but they knew they were seeing something great.